How to generate traffic using Twitter. Social media marketing is the it thing in the marketing world right now, and Twitter is at the very top of that list. If you haven't already become involved in this technique, it's time that you started. If you're somehow not aware of Twitter, it's a service that allows you to send out short messages or tweets to all of the people who've decided to follow you. It started out as a way to talk to your friends and family and to keep track of famous celebrities, but has quickly turned into a powerful marketing method. However, before you get started, you should understand what Twitter is not. It's not a platform that you should be using to directly sell your products or services. If all you do is send out messages asking people to buy something, it just won't work. The key to successfully using Twitter is to use it to build relationships with your followers and to give them value. People want to know that they're doing business with a person, not just a website, and Twitter lets you do that. People can ask you questions and you can easily interact with them. You can also make it fun by running contests and occasionally offering a discount. Another way to use Twitter is to provide value to your followers. They're following you because they're interested in your business. Give them fun facts on information about topics they're interested in. As you continue to give them quality information, they'll begin to think of you as an authority. That will lead them to want to check out your website to see what else you can teach them. Twitter can be a powerful marketing method if used correctly. Provide value with your followers and interact with them. Don't just sell to them.